This is a quick video to show you how to install the OneDrive Assignments app so that you can use OneDrive documents and you can use them as part of your assignments with students. So to get started, you're going to log into Schoology, and then you're going to come over to their App Center, which is represented by these 4 squares in the upper right-hand side. You're going to click on that and you're going to go to their App Center. The App Center is going to display a bunch of apps that are available that can be utilized with Schoology, but for this video I'm just going to show you how to use the OneDrive one, or rather just install it so that you can create assignments using it. Now, do not be confused with OneDrive Resource app. That is a different type of app. We are looking for OneDrive Assignment app. So you scroll down here, we'll find OneDrive Assignment. And you can see here it says it enables instructors to assign Word docs, spreadsheets, and PowerPoints from within the Schoology platform, and it generates a copy for each one of the students so that they can work on it and not make any changes to your original. So you're going to go over to OneDrive Assignment app and you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on this button that says Install LTI app. Once you do that, you will click Agree, and you will just click Install. And then what you're going to do is you're going to check off all the courses that you want to use this OneDrive Assignment app for. So anyone that does not have a check means it will not be available in that particular course. So you can check it off for all your courses. It doesn't mean you have to use it. And then once you have done that, it will be available as an option when you create an assignment. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can create an assignment using that app, and I'll also show you what the students will see when you create an assignment using this app.